Rolling down the boulevard, sun hitting my shades. Riding low and slow, this vibe never fades. Palm trees dancing in the hazy sunlight glow. West Coast rhythm, let the good times flow. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk boxing and setting spirits at ease. From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing.
Hello everyone, how you are doing? I hope you are doing very great because already Sawan has started. So with that special, with we will get a lot of fast food in Sawan. So I have bring for you very delicious dishes from the Thane. So I found this place and really guys, I'm not lying. It was even not in my bucket list, but I found it. And when I knew about this place, I was like very shocked. Like really again, oh my gosh! And the name of that hotel is Puti Rogo Pahar Graha. And it has located, if you know, like that Kopeshwar temple is in Thane, so you would know exactly that Kopeshwar temple, that hotel is there, and they serve all authentic Maharashtrian food. Like you will get misal pav and bhajani thali pit, kothimir vadi, batata vada, and what is good, like they serve fresh and delicious. So here are their menu card as I have shown you in my videos. So I found hot drinks, cold drinks, and fast food. It is a Sawan festival and it is a Sawan month. So I thought I will bring you the fasting food, fast food, and that is again sabudana khichdi, sabudana vada, upwas, sabudana batata puri, upwas, bhajani thali pit. When I had that thali pit, I am in love with Maharashtrian food. Really, wow! Like here, they use a very less quantity of oil, and the chutney, the ketchup, it's delicious. It's really, I'm feeling so good after having that thali pit. Then I had batata puri, lot of things I had eaten here, and I will tell you, really this place is very good, very fresh, very hygienic, very clean. When you will see my full video, then you will know I'm not lying. This is a very good place. I liked it, and it is in Thane West. Do visit, come to the place. You will feel, and in Sawan, you are keeping the fast, so definitely you will like to come this place. I have seen, today is Sunday, so right now it's not that much of crowd, but people do often come here, and not more people know about this hotel, but when I found all staffs are good, that all the employees are very fantastic, and they sell that sweets. So all 90% of their food they made in that hotel and by me. So you can understand with how purity, with hygiene, how they make that food. And definitely they have chaat center also, like beside that hotel, it's their own chaat center. So sometimes what happens, it's a Thane, obviously Thane is the affordable market. You can buy anything, clothes here quickly. So what happens, people have a lot of bags in their hands. So if you want to grab quickly snack, so you can have that pani puri, sev puri, batata puri, that dahi vada, whatever you like, according to your taste, according to your preference. So, and by they have had a lot of menus of fast because see, people do often come to the Kopeshwar temple, so they like to have have breakfast. So if they have a fast, they can eat like sabudana khichdi, that piyush, butter, that butter, not buttermilk. I think that they told me that. I can't remember now, but I have drank actually that the chaat something it was there, that turmeric and milk. So this they also serve this food, this drink. So I'm quite surprised. So I will tell you more about this. Stay in video. So I had pav bhaji, sandwich, dosa. As I have said in my briefing video, like I had that bhajani thali peeth, then batata vada, then piyush, then buttermilk. They all were good. If they will serve me more, then I'm ready to eat. But if you want to come here, do must visit this place. Most people they don't know about this place, but this is really very good. I will rate this restaurant 10 out of 10, and like it's really like I can't like, words are not coming in my mind. What should I say about this place? And the owners are really very good. Like, he spoke with me about this place. People come every time, they eat, and when you will get everything fresh here, it's my guarantee. Nothing will happen with you. And they have past method also. So you must visit to this place, and like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow for more. And I'm on Instagram and Facebook, so you can follow me from there. And there also I share my videos about food blogging. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye everyone.